Good morning, friends, and welcome back to your channel Financial Freedom. So, today is 24th of November, which is Tuesday, and we are back with the market updates. So, without wasting much of the time, let's head towards the broader picture, which is the global indices. Let's see how the overall market has performed today. So if we see the US market, the Nasdaq, it has closed in a positive sentiment with 0.22% up, which is not a big change. And when we see European markets, it has closed in a negative, but if you see all the change percentage, it's not a bigger difference. Everything is below 0.5%. When it comes to Asian market, SGX Nifty has closed in a negative with 0.35%, whereas all the rest of the Asian markets has been on a positive note. So there is a confusion towards the entire market as to where the market needs to head. So bears and bulls both are in a bit confusion, and we could expect a similar kind of effect in the Indian market, which means you can again expect consolidation in the Indian indices as well. So let's head towards the Indian indexes, and you can see Nifty 50, which has closed at 12,926, where there was a 67 points up move today. Yesterday, which we have seen, which is 0.5% in change. And when we come to Sensex, it's again 194 points up movement. Bank Nifty showed a minus 211 points downside move because there were certain news with OFS and everything where there was a kind of a profit booking in a couple of shares like HDFC and all, which dragged the Bank Nifty down. But as of now, we need not to worry. The overall the sentiments of the trends are bullish, and you could expect the market trend to be upwards itself. So let's get towards the points, the pivotal points, and the key support and resistance based on pivot points and the option chain analysis, where the crucial support and resistance of Nifty and Bank Nifty lies for today. So if the Nifty moves upward, as we all know, the crucial resistance which Nifty has to face is 13,000. It's a very strong resistance psychologically as well as option writing. 13,000 is something where you can easily see there is almost 3.5 million contracts on this position. So it plays a very crucial resistance for Nifty as of now to cross this level. So as of now, the Nifty has closed at 926. So immediate resistance which it will face is 12,950. There, after that, it's 13,000 and then 13,100. But if the Nifty moves downwards, so the next resistance or the support which it could find is actually 12,800 and 12,700. So these are the supports which are quite strong, especially 12,800. There is a lot of option writing done on 12,800, which will hold a great support for Nifty for today. So now if we move to Bank Nifty, we have seen that there was a kind of a fall in last trading session, and what you can expect today is Nifty could touch 28,500 level. So in case if Nifty moves upward, so the immediate resistance it will face is 29,300, 29,400 and 29,500 is a very strong resistance which Bank Nifty has to face if it moves upwards. But when it comes to down, so it's misplaced. The next actually resistance will be 29,000, and then it's 28,500 which the Bank Nifty has to face. For this, So first, since the market has closed Bank Nifty at 29,024, so it's just 24 points down, very strong support, which is 29,000. And if it breaks 28,500, it's a very strong support. And I hope the Bank Nifty will uh, actually take a big support on this, because there's a lot of option writing on this. So I hope it respect the support level and bounce back from 28,500. So let's move towards the stock in news. There are a couple of stocks which are in news. So let's see one by one. Coal India. The company is supposed to increase rupees 10 per ton. Sorry about that. For non-coking coal effective from December 1, which is again a negative news in Coal India. When it comes to matrimony.com, SBI mutual funds have acquired 7,44,279 shares in the company for 643 rupees and 90 cents per share, whereas CMDB has sold 9 lakh shares in the company. Then we have PVR, who has Gemasia has bought 4.25 lakh shares in the company, which is again a positive news. PVR for PVR. When it comes to Reliance Infrastructure, Access Trustee has sold almost 28 lakhs and 62,798 shares in the company for at a price of $20.50. Sorry, I said $20. It's 20 rupees and 59 per share. When it comes to Ujjivan Finance Services, there is again a negative news. Alina Private Limited has sold 14 lakhs 74,453 equity shares in the company at 292 rupees and 67 per share. Then we have Remy Sales Engineering board meeting is scheduled on 26th of November, and they are considering to delist their company from the equity market. Exide Industries, the company further invested in their subsidiary Exide, and I exactly don't know how to pronounce this Swiss battery company. It's Lance Energy. I hope I am right. Has increased its shareholdings to 80.15%. So it's actually not listed in Indian market. It's listed in foreign markets. It's actually, this company is a Swiss company with which Exide has a tie-up, which again makes a battery, and they have increased their percentage in this subsidiary company to 80%, which is a good sign for Exide. And when we come to Action Construction Equipment, which is ACE, promoter has increased its stake from 37.43 to 37.46, which is a minor increase, but again, since there are a lot of good news is coming in for the construction and the real estate sector, so even the promoters are very optimistic towards their own companies, which is a good sign again for the recovery of the economy. So Adhunik Industries, Vedanta Resources has sold 2,79,481 equity shares in the company, which they were holding at 15 rupees and 30 cents per share, which is again not good news in Adhunik Industries. So now let's head towards the crucial ingredients of the market, where we come to know what actually happened in the market, who were the real buyers and sellers. So if we see the foreign institution business, you can see the total business which was done yesterday was 12,442 crores, out of which they sold 7,704 crores, and the net purchase will be 4,738 rupees is what they have purchased worth of shares. And when it comes to DII, again you can see the selling was the gross purchase was for 3,909, whereas the sell was for 6,853 crores. And if we check the net selling and the net buying in DIIA, so you can see it was most of the selling. They haven't bought anything, so they have sold their portfolios of worth of 2,944 crores. So this is a quick recap on the market for today, and I hope you have made a point on the crucial levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty, and you will trade according to it and end up in profit. I hope so, and taking good advantage of the stocks which are in news. So without further delay, all the best for you all, and take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.